Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Rusty. I just finished my little home workout. I can't even figure out the camera. Um, and I wanted to hop on because my book exchange. So I did this lovely little video yesterday about my book exchange and how, thoughtful and generous and, really lovely people are. And then I got my book today. And the thing is, I don't know who sent it, so it's a little, the title of the book is Rules for Aging. Rules for Aging. Who thought, oh, I'm going to join Rusty's book exchange and send him Rules for Aging? I am deeply, deeply offended, I have to say. No, I'm totally kidding. I mean, it is kind of funny, right? And I haven't even looked at it. It just says Rules for Aging, a wry and witty guide to life. So, I suppose it beats the alternative, although no one has really ever returned to let us know what the next stage of whatever this thing is. So we don't really know, but anyway, so this is today's book selection, Rules for Aging. I will read through it. I will, take it with a grain of salt. Not too much salt because I'm getting to that age where, high blood pressure and all that. So silly. It's ridiculous. Anyway, let's see. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm on board with that. The first thing it says, there are many reasons to buy Roger Rosenblatt's hilarious Rules for Aging. But if we are to take the author at his word, none of them matter. In fact, nothing at all matters. Rule number 1. This was a lesson that I learned in November, almost a year ago. Wow, yeah. That nothing means anything. Nothing has any meaning. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything that nothing has any meaning. The only meaning anything has is what we attach to it. So it's very freeing. Anyway, so there's that. And then the other thing is, what are you guys doing at 5 o'clock? Come check out my overview. Go to www. Wow, that felt really old-fashioned. It's on the World Wide Web. www.banneroverview.com. So at 5 o'clock, I'm going to walk through the system. I do it every Monday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and Thursday 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is the system. It is fantastic if you are in any kind of situation where you want to show appreciation, love, gratitude, anything, thankfulness, anything like that. This is an amazing system to do it, and I have had tremendous results using it. And not even, there's a business application 100%, right? But there's also just, I've been in touch with people I haven't been in touch with in a long time, which is great. And, it's just my general theme of putting more positivity in the world. So 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, go to www.banneroverview.com. It'll take you directly to the Zoom. I'm the host. I do a little song and dance. I do a little show. It takes about half an hour. I'll walk you all through the system. You'll see how it works. My goal is always at the end that you understand how it will bring value to your business, to your, to whatever it is. And I send away free stuff. So that is what I'm doing at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it would be awesome to see you. I don't even know who's watching. And it doesn't really matter. Just come and check it out. So I'll put the link. I think I already put it in the description, but I'm going to put it again in the comments. I'm actually doing it as we speak. www.banneroverview.com, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Come check it out and get free stuff. And who doesn't love free stuff? So that's my little video for the day. I'm going to be doing these, pretty regularly on a daily basis for a while now. So thank you, whomever sent me the Rules for Aging. I will make sure that I follow them, whatever. And then I will be at banneroverview.com at 5 o'clock. So come say hi. And that's it for me for today here. If you want to see more, banneroverview.com, 5 p.m. See you then. Bye.